Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the online classes. I am Aabid Hussain at SMB QAPS school. Today our topic is speed. So first of all, here is an example that if there are the two bodies, like these are in front of you, that two balls are moving with different speed. You can see one of them is moving faster and second one is moving slower. So why one of them is moving slowly and second one fastly here? Or is another example that two vehicles are here in front of you. One of them is object 1 and second one is the object 2. So these are also moving and these are moving with different speeds. Their speed is different from one another. So why, again there was a question that why these things are moving with a different speed. If you will see here that one of them is reaching to its destination very fastly and the second one is moving slowly. As here red color object is moving more fastly than the object 2. So it means it will cover more distance in particular time which is given here. So we can say that if any object is moving a particular distance in a time, so we can say that if any object is moving with a faster one, then the speed of that object is greater than the object second one. So here the speed of first object is more than is first object while it was running fastly. So this is called the speed. That how fast something is moving. Speed, how fast something is moving. So what is the speed? If we will come to the topic and we'll discuss here that what is speed. Actually on the definition, by the definition, if we are going to start that it's a scalar quantity. Speed is a scalar quantity. Why we say it a scalar quantity? Because this is the scalar due to the not a particular direction. Whenever if any object is covering a distance with respect to the time, as we have here wheel, it is moving and covering a distance and there is a particular time in which it is covering some distance. So this is called as the speed. Whenever any object covers a distance and it covers the distance in a particular time with respect to time, then it is called the speed. So here which type of motion is there? As you have learned about the motions, this is translatory motion because the body is moving in a straight path here. Okay, so we can say that this is a rectilinear motion in particular direction or in a proper way. So the time taken by a body as in a linear direction, the body is moving within 30 seconds. So this motion of object is called the speed. Here is another vehicle which is moving and it's moving with a different time as we have given here. So now the time of this object differentiate the speed of object from the first object which was given here. So what is the time taken by this second vehicle? Was it more than first vehicle or was it less than first object? Very good, as it was moving slowly, so it took time which was 10 seconds more than the first object which is given here. So we can say that the speed of first object is more than the speed of second object, because the first object took the time which was less than second object. So means we can say that if any object is taking less time to reach to the particular distance, then we can say that this vehicle has more speed, and if any body is moving with more time and it is taking more time, then we can say that its speed is less than the first one. So here first object has greater speed and second one object here has lesser speed, and it is the reason which is here that due to the comparison of time, because we have a constant distance here which is perfect length between two objects, but there was only a difference between the time, as we have path length which is 420 meter. It means 420 meters a particular distance for both objects. We do not change the distance here, but we are only here watching that which body has taken the more time and which body has taken less time than the other one. So which was object which was moving with more speed, either red car or blue car. So total distance upon time, this is the formula for the speed. Speed is equals to total distance upon time. It means we can calculate that which body was moving faster. So here we have 420 upon 40, it is 10.5 meter per second, but the other car has taken 14 meter per second. As distance has meter and the time has second unit, so means we can say that which body has more speed. So which body has more speed? This is a question for you. Yes, good. The first one object has more speed as it is a blue car. So second one, which is the red car, has less speed than first one, as 14 meter can be covered by the blue car and the 10.5 meters can be covered by the second car, red car. So means we can say that these have the different speeds by which they can move from the one place to another place. As here we have the another example that time is taken by a body car 20 seconds and the path length is 420 meters. So what will be the speed of the car here? By using the formula total distance upon total time. As we have the total distance, what is total distance here? Good. We have 420 total distance and time is 20 seconds. By dividing these both together, we get the answer, which is 21 meter per second. Very good. Excellent. So we have 21 meter per second answer for the white car. Okay, very good. So we can say that which one has the more speed. Here we have the white car which has more speed than the blue car and then the red car. So this is the unit for the speed, meter per second. This is the unit for the speed. Means formula for the speed was distance upon time. So distance has unit which is called the meter and the time has a unit which is called the second. These are the standard units for the distance. Means the distance is length and time is accurately time. So these are. And there were Other units are here which are in front of you: miles per hour and kilometers per hour, feet per hour, minute. So these are also the units which are used as in the British engineering system. As already we have studied about these, that in British engineering system we use the feet or foot. So and time has the minute units there. So means these can be used to calculate the units, to calculate the lengths and the speed for a particular here we have some examples, some questions. We have to calculate that if a body is taking 30 seconds, path length is 420, then by using formula we have to calculate the speed of that object. Okay, so what will be the speed for the blue car here? This is a question for you. Yes, good. So we'll first of all put the path length, which will be the distance here, and second one is the time. So 420 will be divided by the 30 here, as 420 is the total distance and 30 is the time taken in seconds. So 420 is divided by 30 and our answer will be the 14 meter per second. Very good, excellent. So our answer for the blue car, speed for the blue car is here, which is the 14 meter per second. Very good. As we have calculated the speed, so we have to put units. It's very necessary for you. So here was a question, that is the speed constant or not? Means we can say that if a body is regularly changing its speed, then it is not called the constant speed. But if the body is not changing its speed regularly, it means that the speed is constant here. So per second we have to calculate the speed, and then we have to see that whether the speed is constant or not. So by the formula, we'll use here the formula again, and we can calculate easily that while the speed is constant or not. Okay, so as the body is moving, you can see on the screen that body is moving with a particular speed. It is moving from initial point to the final point to reach its destination. So here we have to see that whether the body is moving with a constant speed or not. Oh, as it was changing its speed or not? Yes, it was changing its speed. First of all, its speed was slowly, then it was faster. So we can't say that 14 meter per second is a constant speed. No, it was not a constant speed, because the vehicle was moving slowly, then it was moving with fast. So what is 14 meter per second, whether it is constant speed or not? No, it was not constant speed. It was average speed of blue car. And what is the average speed of the car? What we will learn from the average speed, when speed changes, then overall the change of the speed is called the average speed of a car. Okay, very good, excellent. So here is average speed. We have to learn about the average speed here. That what is the average speed? So here is the formula for you for the average speed, which is the total distance traveled by a body and then divided by the total time taken. Very good. So total distance traveled by a body, and then it is divided by the total time taken here. So when we will calculate this one, then we will get the average speed of that object, that while the object has a constant speed or while the object has a average speed. As we have the average speed of the object here given, so it means that total distance traveled by a body will be divided by the total time taken. So